What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Benefit Roller Liner Eyeliner. Yes, you heard that right. It's actually called the Benefit Roller Liner Eyeliner. It's very interesting, kind of like a tongue twister, but yeah. But before we get started in this Benefit Roller Eyeliner review, don't forget to subscribe down below for new videos every single week, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to start by creating the wing first. Follow this angle right here. Okay, that's really cool. It seems that it just went on very easily. It glided right on my eyelid without pulling, because I hate any eyeliner that pulls on my skin while I'm trying to get it to apply evenly. So from here, I'm going to connect all the way through. Oh, I think it got in my eye. That was my fault though. That wasn't the eyeliner's fault. Alright, so far I'm actually really happy with how easily my eyeliner went on. It is drying really nice and matte because I love me some matte eyeliner. The one I regularly use is this liquid one by Sephora collection. This is the Sephora colorful eyeliner in black. So far, I do feel like the roller liner is drying down nice and matte. It's going on super duper easily. Like, I'm having a really easy time applying my eyeliner, and that's almost never the case with my eyeliner, but let's go ahead and fill it in. Alright, nice. So it's finishing off drying, but I really like how bold and intense this eyeliner formula is. I feel like it is really nice and matte, and as you saw, I had a really easy time applying it. I really like the tip of it. I feel like it's the right size. Like, I feel like you can get a thinner line if you wanted to, or if you added more pressure, you can definitely get a thicker line as well. So I like that it's really versatile, and yeah, that was really easy. So let's go ahead and finish the other eye, shall we? Alright, so this is what my eyeliner looks like at the moment. I am so pleased with the final result. I really like how easily it glided on. I do wish that my eyeliner was just a little bit more on the matte side. Like, I really wish that it was a true matte finish like my Sephora collection colorful eyeliner. Let me go ahead and swatch this one for you guys so you can compare side by side, so you guys can see what a true matte finish looks like. Alright guys, so this is my Sephora collection colorful eyeliner in the shade black. As you can see here, it is so much more matte than the new Benefit roller eyeliner. Although it's a lot more matte than the roller eyeliner, I still really like the formulation and finish of the roller liner. I do think it's matte, but as you see here by this example, I do know that this roller eyeliner can be even more matte. You know what I mean? That's just kind of where I'm drawing the comparison from. So far, I love this eyeliner. I truly do. So let's go ahead and top it off with some Roller Lash mascara. Like I said, this one is my baby. This mascara is top 3 I loves. What I like most about it is that it will give you the longest, most voluminous, natural eyelashes. Like, they're not going to give you like any clumps. As you can see here, it'll separate your eyelashes. It's just a dream. I like to apply about 2 layers of my roller lash to get some nice, natural looking, long lashes. Yeah, but do you guys see that? Maybe if I look down, you'll be able to see it a little bit better, but that is some serious lashes right there. Alrighty then, mascara all done. We're just going to do some natural eyelashes to top it off, and we're gonna do it right now. Voila. Okay guys, so this is our final result, and like I said before, I feel very, very happy with the finished result. I really liked how easily my roller eyeliner glided on. I also really liked the fact that I was able to go over it without pulling from the product that was already there, because that is a super duper common problem that I run into with my other eyeliners that I love, such as the Stila waterproof eyeliner, Kat Von D Locket eyeliner. Those are two really awesome eyeliners, but they do tend to have that problem, especially towards the end when they're starting to dry out. Is that if you try to go over it, the eyeliner sometimes does pull from the product that's already there, and it can be so frustrating. And I don't think I had that problem. It is truly worth the splurge, and I say splurge because this is not a cheap eyeliner, guys. This is $22, and that means that it's 22 of your hard-earned dollars. And if you ask me, is it worth me spending 22 of my hard-earned dollars? I would say absolutely, because this eyeliner solves so many problems. Like I just mentioned, it's just all in all a great innovative matte formula. Also, as a little side note, they do offer a mini size for $12, and the mini size is about like that big, but what's cool is that it still has the signature fine tip. Also, I want to make a note that this is like super duper budge proof. I'm like rubbing it so hard, but it's still not coming off. So awesome formula. This formula is the bomb. It really is. And that does it for this video, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and found some value from it, please don't forget to drop me a like, and also don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. Like always, I want to thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.